This water's so clean I could probably drink it straight, but you know I got a filter, so why risk it? Gravity pulls the water through the filter, fills up my jug. When the filter's new, it does about 1 liter a minute. It's pretty quick. Once you're done, you gotta go ahead and drain the whole thing. If it turns to ice inside your filter, then the filter won't work. Woo. Now it's chilly. Gotta take a little break and take care of my feet. Put some KT tape on this. I think it's time for a little lunch break. Oh, it smells lovely. Yeah, that's good. Navigating through these woods is really tricky. It's like, which way do I go? I'm gonna be breaking trail from here on out.